Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how to create a really cool, stunning background within Adobe Photoshop. What you could do is take the steps that I show you today, implement them into your workflow, and you can use it across a wide range of designs, ranging from backgrounds of websites, leaflets, branding. And trust me when I say it's just a simple step-by-step process that you need to follow. And I guarantee you'll be able to create something really modern and fresh and innovative. So first of all, as you can see, I've got this blank canvas here, this blank document. And what I want to do quickly is just add a nice sort of dark purplish background. So I'm just going to come onto our foreground color here, double click it. And let's say we go to the purple, and then let's say we go sort of real sort of dark purple there, like so. And all I need to do now is use our paint bucket tool. Just click on the document and it will fill that document with that particular color. Next thing I want to do is I'm just going to come to our brushes. Let's click open our brushes here. I'm just using a preset, Photoshop preset brush of soft round. But what I want to do is I just want to increase or decrease the roundness of that brush. I want to make it a little bit skinnier, let's say. Keep the size around 1200 pixels. I can make that bigger by using the keyboard shortcut of the brackets located next to P on your keyboard. Like so. I'll do it around that size there. I just want to change the color. Let's go for sort of a reddish, pinkish kind of color like so. And I'm going to add one in there like so. Nice. Let's decrease the size of that brush now by pressing the left bracket. Let's just place one there. Now, if you want to place one here, what I may do actually as well is take the flow down. And then if I make that a little bit smaller, I can just go click, make it a little bit smaller, click again. As you can see, it gets brighter in the middle as I make it smaller. Let's maybe add one more here, maybe. Just using those brackets to make it smaller, like so. Okay, I want to add a third color. So I'm going to double click that fill again. Let's go for sort of a warm, orangey kind of color like so. Nice. And I just want to increase the size of the brush there. Let's add it in the middle of these brushes that I've done already. There we go. I'll come here and do the same. A little one in there. Like so. Okay. So we've got the basis of our stunning background created. And what I need to do is duplicate this layer. The keyboard shortcut is Command J for Mac users or Control J for Windows users. And what I want to do with that layer is convert it into a smart object. The reason is because I'll be applying a filter, and therefore I'll be applying a smart filter, which is always editable and manipulatable for me if I want to do that later on down the line. Now what I'm going to do is come to Filter and Liquify. Now you notice here I've got pin edges ticked because if I come through now and use the forward warp tool and I start to do this, as you can see, it takes it away from the edges. All right, so I'm just going to press Command Z to go back there, or Control Z for Windows users. If I press pin edges, it will start to warp, but as you can see, it pins it to the edges there, like so. And a real sort of cool looking background there. Maybe bring the size of that down a little bit here. Increase it a little bit there, maybe. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now if we press OK, wonderful. Now what I want to try and do now is start to blend these layers together. So I'm going to come through my blending mode here. And I quite like screen or lighten's pretty cool there. We say screen is quite nice. What I also as well might do is add a little blur to this. So we'll go filter, blur, say Gaussian blur. Just add a little tiny little blur there, like so. And what I want to do is just lower the opacity on that just a tad, just to bring through the other layer through. like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create a stunning background within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.